You are going to love the 2024 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.